Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about HoneyBook, a platform that helps freelancers and small business owners get paid. I've been using HoneyBook for a few years now, and I've found it to be an incredibly valuable tool. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, can you get paid from HoneyBook? I'll also discuss some of the other benefits of using HoneyBook, such as getting organized. HoneyBook helps you keep track of your clients, projects, and invoices. Getting paid faster. HoneyBook makes it easy to send and track invoices. Building your brand. HoneyBook provides you with professional templates and tools to help you create a strong brand identity. So, can you get paid from HoneyBook? The answer is yes. HoneyBook offers a variety of payment options, including credit card. Clients can pay you with a credit card through HoneyBook. Bank transfer. Clients can also pay you with a bank transfer. Check. Clients can mail you a check. In addition to these payment options, HoneyBook also offers a number of features that can help you get paid faster. For example, you can set up automatic invoicing, which will automatically send invoices to your clients on a regular basis. You can also use HoneyBook's request payment feature to send your clients a reminder to pay their invoice. Benefits of using HoneyBook. In addition to getting paid, there are a number of other benefits to using HoneyBook. Here are a few of the most notable benefits. Getting organized. HoneyBook helps you keep track of your clients, projects, and invoices. This can save you a lot of time and hassle. Getting paid faster. HoneyBook makes it easy to send and track invoices. This can help you get paid faster. Building your brand. HoneyBook provides you with professional templates and tools to help you create a strong brand identity. This can help you attract more clients and grow your business. Overall, I highly recommend using HoneyBook if you're a freelancer or small business owner. It's a powerful tool that can help you get organized, get paid faster, and build your brand. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about HoneyBook, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and advice on how to grow your business. If you're interested in learning more about HoneyBook, please click on the link below. You can also sign up for a free trial of HoneyBook by clicking on the button below. Thanks for watching.